Hello, my name is Chris Sorensen. I'm the founder and president of Iteration Insights. We are a Calgary-based analyst consultancy that works exclusively in the data and analytics space. From a technology perspective, we use the Microsoft suite of data and analytics products to build solutions for our customers. I'm an architect, coach, and thought leader in the analytics space. There is no situation I've not seen in my 20+ years in this area. The technologies certainly are new and evolving, which can be hard to keep up with, but not much has changed on the people, process, and data side, aside from a much more heightened awareness and desire to improve. I have not yet met an organization that does not want to become more data-driven. The tough part is, how do you achieve this? Is buying the latest and greatest tools enough? Many would say yes, but I would say absolutely not. In 2025, we have no shortage of technologies that can be used to craft data and analytics solutions, data from which to build those solutions, and people with the desire and skills to do so. So why do so many organizations struggle to deliver solutions that drive confident, repeatable, and reliable data-driven decision-making? Technology is but one part of a well-functioning analytics and data program, so it is imperative to work with customers to ensure an organization's people and process work efficiently and effectively with technology. Without this, you just have a bunch of tools that are misunderstood and misused. And yes, I did say program. To achieve the above, people, process, technology, and data must all act in concert across an organization. Achieving this can be a long journey, and that is where it usually starts to become difficult. As we live in a world of quick fixes and instant gratification, not many things are built to last. My session explores the strategic implementation of a robust data competency within organizations that are looking to or are already leveraging the Microsoft suite of data and analytics products, such as Excel, Power BI, Fabric, and Azure. We will describe the many roles that are needed to support a well-functioning analytics competency across an organization and not just in IT. As an undercurrent to this, we emphasize the importance of empathy across a practice as you progress on the path to excellence. Attendees will gain an understanding of how to build a cohesive data framework that integrates these tools from the perspective of people and process. We will delve into methodologies for training teams to effectively utilize Excel for complex data analysis, creating impactful visualizations with Power BI, and utilizing Fabric for data integration. Join me to discover some best practices, how to overcome some common challenges, and unlock the full potential of Microsoft's data ecosystem while fostering a culture of data excellence within your organization. Join me at the PASS Community Data Summit in Seattle in November to learn more.